I say chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip. You can't quit thinking about it. You always, that thing, man, that you wake up in the middle of the night, you got a new idea. That's what you got to chase.
The streets are gon' kill you, kept my silence on the top. Elevated in this game, I step these niggas when I walk. They just flaws to the game, they searching hungry for the fame. Niggas gay, they be switching on the line, it's never new. Leave my verses on trash, cause they speak the naked truth. Money on my mind, it's really heavy on my trip. Really heavy with the trip, them niggas slip. Like Ndingu, always standing, fuck the chair, we chasing guap. It's my time, I'm a star, so let me shine. Acting me, watch me make it out the mud. But I sleep on this mud, it should be part of my religion. Fuck the story, had my nigga ask me for my verse. I had to give it, not delay, but it's never late. Took the blame, but I relax, but it's just a game. I'm really heavy with them feet, I always make it rain.
Say, bro, the dream is to end up on TV. I can never be sleeping, let's get it. I studied more history, no physics. Wanted to make me an A, now I'm steady. I'm about to take off, are you ready? Should get more when I put in Mercedes. Oh, that's such a dream, I'ma get up and get it. Ain't got no love for a lady, I've gotta stand for a time to embrace. Call me kid, that was back in the days. Now she mourns when I play with it is. Where I've never stored when it comes to the bank. Young kid with the flow that's so great. Solo king when it comes to these raps. Call me whenever you done with the cabinet. So all these niggas are good with the flex. 2 years, only thought about Rex. 20 years, bro, I'm tryna impress. He can rhyme, now we think he can raps. Where you at, bro, you said you're the best. Bro is in pain whenever I dance, cause I know that it's always for stacks. Speeding hard, moving fast, mamba nigga, and really in the black. Cold hail, that's all that you wasted. Cold red, that's a crew that I keep. Rolex, got a nigga go working and fake friends. Got me reading myself. Can't be the nigga you last make in high school and hit him on talking, no, I knew your shit. I'm at the vision of fitness for Cody, and guess what, my nigga, I'm keeping it real. Working hard, so tomorrow be great. Having my future more better than steel. Call me a slave and I give you a brick. They call me an ad and they ask me for tricks. My nigga ain't yellow, but ever you go, my nigga, I'm the greatest, my nigga, let's go. I'm your dead nigga, go.